March 20, 2026 preset order. Starting niya, Wolfsong V-shape, Duel of Champion, 25 shots. Sword of Valor, B-shape. Tapos 4 sets ng Dragon, 16 shots. Stellar Saga and Forge of Element, tsaka City of Lights, mix. Tapos Blooming Flower by LF, 16 shots, Bombshell. Bali sabay po yung Blooming Flower tsaka yung 2 sets ng Sword of Valor. Tapos Tempest Fury by Dragon. Tapos W ng Heavenly Harmony. Tapos Anastasia by LF. Tapos 3 shots ng Bombshell pang finale. Tapos meron tayong backup fuse. Ayan. 1, 2. Tapos sa pinaka-link, meron din tayong backup. So, meron din tayong backup dito sa side. Ito, backup fuse. Tapos ito, starting fuse. Thank you po sa umorder.